show you how to set up your interface on Revit when you want to work for the first time in Revit. So I want to show you how you're going to set up your levels, your interface, all right? Especially those using Revit 2024 upwards, all right? So let's start. All right, so here for the first time, I want to start working on the project. So I just opened my Revit right now. The first thing to do, you know, go to new. As an architect, you know, what we the template we choose is gonna be metric multidiscipline, right? So you choose metric multidiscipline, it's your template file. Then you click OK, leave it the way it is, like this. Okay. All right, so here we are on Revit interface right now. Okay, so this is where we'll be doing all our drawings. So first and first, before we start doing anything here, we're going to set our levels, right? We're going to set our levels, and then before we start modeling or start drawing, right? So what we're going to do here, we go to here, our locate our elevation here, right? So you go to the south, double click on the south, so you will see this level will appear like this. All right, so what we'll do, let's arrange it so that when we start drawing, right, our drawing will be coordinated and well organized, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 450, right? And then go here and create a similar. So we assume we are drawing a bungalow, right? So that's what we're doing. So here, this will serve as our natural ground level, right? From natural ground level to the ground level is 450. Okay, 450, right? So here, from this is our natural ground level, then this is our ground level. Why this is going to be our roof, our ceiling level, all right? So from natural ground level to ground level is 450. It can vary from 450 to 600. Some use 600, right? So here we're using 450. Then here, right? So after that, we just go back to our, you know, our floor plan, floor area. So we can now choose our wall. Also, before we start drawing, we're going to set the thickness of our wall. All right. So this is a basic wall of 200 mm. The wall thickness we want to use here is 225. All right, that's 9 inches wall. All right. So to do that, we need to edit this wall. We click edit, then we duplicate, we rename it 225. So after we have duplicate and renamed, we also click edit and change the thickness to 225. All right. Under core scale fill pattern, what we do, we choose um our wall pattern. We use this. After you apply, okay, so we are good. We can start drawing. All right, can start drawing a floor plan. All right, so this is it. All right, so this is it. How to set your interface. Okay, so if you have a question, please you can drop it at the comments. See you.